The Samsung Washing Machine 3E error code is a motor code that indicates a malfunction or inability to spin the drum, typically displayed when the appliance fails to begin spinning despite meeting all necessary conditions. This code is general and does not point to a specific issue in the motor, requiring users to apply potential solutions to identify the cause. Common causes of this error code include overloading the machine, faulty connections, ranging from external connections to the main supply to internal connections at the motor hull, sensor or PBC housing terminal, and foreign materials entering the motor, such as loose screws or external objects like hairpins. To fix the issue, possible solutions include unloading some laundry from the drum to address overloading, disconnecting and reconnecting the appliance to check for external connection faults, and thoroughly checking the motor for internal faulty connections or embedded objects. When checking the motor, it is essential to ensure the washer is off and disconnected from the power supply. The motor check involves removing any embedded objects, repairing faulty connections, and cleaning the commutator with a commutator stick, as well as replacing worn-out carbon brushes. If unsure, it is recommended to consult a professional for assistance.